In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change the text color in Lucidchart. First things first, head over to lucidchart.com. You should be able to sign up for free either by using your email or by using Google, Microsoft, or Slack. Now, if you already have an account, you can head over and still click on it, and you will be redirected to the sign up page, and you should be able to see there the login option. So from in there, you can click on login in order to log into the Lucidchart. So I've already done so, and here is my actual Lucidchart dashboard. So let's head over and then create a blank whiteboard for now. So if you're looking to actually change the text color on your Lucidchart, you should be able to see this that when you insert in here a text block and type in here a text, you can see that the default text color is actually black. You can notice it right here. If you indeed want to change the text color, you can head over and do so by clicking onto this particular box that has that color. Click onto this icon right here, which is the text color icon. And then from in there, you can choose from the colors that we have available. When you hover to those specific colors, you should be able to see in here a description of that. For example, this one is orange, this one is peach, this one is fog. So head over and choose in here the color that you wish to use, and as you can see, it will reflect right here. Now into this part, you can also change the color depending on to the line that we have. For example, right here we have this that has two words. So for example, you only want to change the color of the one word instead of the other one. Let's change it right here. And you can see it change right now into color yellow. So for this case, you can actually edit it however you like it if you would want and explore with colors as well by clicking onto this plus icon in order to explore the color wheel and inputting right here the hex code of the color that you wish to use. So that's how you change the text color in Lucidchart. Hope we helped.